Welcome to the QuickBooks University. My name is mhultquist, and in this video I just wanted to show you, because I get this question a lot on how I provide personal support to the members of the QuickBooks University. Okay, so if you're not aware, when you do become a member of the QuickBooks University, it is a one-time fee for life. You have unlimited access to our training tutorials, plus you get all updates. So when a new version comes out, or for the desktop, or a change to QuickBooks Online comes out, I update the videos and you get those updates. There are no additional fees, and you can log in from anywhere and watch the videos. Okay, so when it comes to the personal support, I think that sets us apart from other training programs out there on QuickBooks is I answer your personal questions. Okay, so it's real easy to sit there and learn QuickBooks with our training tutorials, but of course when you get into your personal situation, whether it's your business and you're doing the books, or you're a bookkeeper and you've got clients, or you work for someone and you're doing the books, you get into your situation and you're going to have questions. Okay, whether it's how to record something, how to fix something. A lot of times it's how to fix things that have been messed up in the past. I walk you through that. Okay, and I do that in a couple different ways. Okay, so first of all, we do it through the forum. Okay, so this is the QuickBooks University forum on the screen, and we literally have 7 to 8 years of questions that have been answered in here. Okay, so you can go through here, you can search. There's lots of answers in here that will help you out, or you can just post and you have your question. And we go through, or I go through, and other members go through and answer your questions. Okay, so this is a great resource here. Okay, the second way is through the private Facebook page. All right, and you can see that here. Lots of questions. I also post update videos. Different things, different articles that I've written. So there's definitely, this is a place as well to get your questions answered. Okay, and then third, through email. Okay, so through email, at quickbooksuniversity@gmail.com, I get a lot of members that just simply email me. They'll send me screenshots that they don't want to post in a public, Facebook group or the forum. And, so they'll send me some of their information, and I'll walk them through how to do something in QuickBooks. Okay, so we provide multiple avenues for that personal support. Okay, now we also have members that typically business owners that get into it and say, you know what, I want to outsource my accounting because it's more important for me to focus on my business and be out selling. Okay, so through our CPA firm, the mhultquist firm, and you can go to our website at themhultquistfirm.com. We do a lot of tax planning, outsource CFO, tax returns, as well as accounting, bookkeeping support, anywhere from just simply reconciling accounts to help out to full outsourced accounting. Okay, I want to show you that. Okay, so we do have accounting packages that are fixed fee packages, and we have clients all over the country that we, for simple monthly fee and QuickBooks Online, we will go in and support them with their QuickBooks. Okay, so you can see we have monthly packages here ranging anywhere from simple reconciliations all the way up to custom. We provide the financial statements. We go over those financial statements with you and help you understand those, as well as report on different metrics called KPIs in the business. Okay, so this can be very helpful for when you want to outsource your accounting and you want to focus on growing your business. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that's how we support businesses. Okay, and let me go back over here. And so we'd love to have you join us as a member. We can definitely help you out in multiple ways. So you've got the QuickBooks training tutorials, where we provide the personal support, but when you need that more hands-on and outsourced accounting, we've got that as well. All right. Any questions? Send me a message, reply to this video. You can send me an email, multiple different ways. You can contact me on Facebook. any different way that you like. Love to hear from you. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.